Most people waste their 20s trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. They buy things they can't afford to impress people they don't even like, while their money just sits there, lazy and useless. But you're different. You want freedom, and that starts with investing smart and early. Here are 7 investing ideas you can start right now that'll quietly build your wealth while the rest of the world stays broke and distracted. Number 1, index funds, the lazy way to become a millionaire. If you want to build wealth without watching charts, timing markets, or checking your phone 10 times a day, this is how you do it. Index funds like VOO or SPY let you invest in hundreds of top companies at once. Apple, Microsoft, Google. You're not betting on one company, you're betting on the entire economy. They average around 10% annual returns, so if you invest just $300 a month, starting at age 20, you could end up with over $1 million by the time you retire. And that's assuming you never increase your investment one time. So even if you stop investing after 10 years, that early money will grow more than someone who starts later. That's the power of compound interest. Boring? 100%. Effective? Absolutely. And in this game, boring always wins. Number 2, REITs. You can own real estate without a mortgage. You want a real estate cash without dealing with tenants, toilets, or taxes? You want REITs. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. It's like buying a stock in companies that own commercial properties, apartments, malls, hospitals, and even sometimes data centers. And the best part, they legally require you to pay out at least 90% of the profits as dividends. So while your mates are chasing rent payments, you're getting paid just for holding. REITs like O Realty Income or VNQ are a great place to start. They're stable, they pay well, and you don't need a 6-figure deposit to get in. If you want regular passive income without buying a single property, this is definitely the play. Number 3, Roth IRA, the government's most underrated gift. A Roth IRA is a legal tax cheat code, and most people ignore it. You invest post-tax money now, and it grows tax-free forever. When you retire, you withdraw it and don't owe a penny in taxes. It's one of the only accounts where Uncle Sam can't touch your gains. That's rare. Take advantage of it. Max it out every year, around $7,000 if you're under 50. And let time do its thing. Imagine pulling out hundreds of thousands or even millions and not owing the IRS a single cent. If you're under 30 and not opening a Roth, you're throwing away decades of tax-free growth. Number 4, invest in yourself. This is the one where most people overlook, 100%. They'll drop $600 on some new shoes, but won't spend $60 on a course that could change their income forever. Every dollar you invest in your knowledge and skills can pay you back for decades. Want to increase your income? Learn a high-value skill. Copywriting, sales, public speaking, coding, video, editing, AI tools, courses, books, coaching, they're not expensive. They're income generating assets. I didn't get rich because I bought stocks. I got rich because I learned how to sell, how to think, how to build, how to pivot. If you had to choose between investing $1,000 in stocks or investing $1,000 into learning how to freelance, I'd say go with the skill because it's repeatable and scalable. Quick one, here is the free money move you can start today if you shop online. And let's be honest, you do. You should be using Rakuten. Rakuten is a free browser extension that gives you cash back when you shop at major stores like Nike, Walmart, Apple, Best Buy, your everyday shopping stores. It's all there. I just bought some Nike gear for working out and I got 10% cash back instantly. It's not points or store credit. It's real money deposited straight into your account. If you're going to spend money anyway, why not get paid for it? Click the link in the description to sign up. You'll get a welcome bonus after your first purchase, which is $30 if you spend $30. Don't leave free money on the table. Number 5, dividend stocks. Get paid just to hold. Dividend paying stocks are like getting a paycheck just for showing up. You buy shares in companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or Johnson & Johnson, and they pay you cash every quarter just for holding. I bought my first dividend stock, I think it was at age 19, and it paid me $6 that quarter. I laughed, but I reinvested it. Every quarter since, it's paid me more. Now it's hundreds and growing. If you reinvest those dividends, your portfolio compounds faster than most people expect. This is a quiet wealth strategy, no hype, just consistent income and growth. Number 6, start a business. It's very high risk, don't get me wrong, but it has a high reward. This isn't for everyone though, but it's how I got ahead. Starting a business in your 20s is the best time to experiment. You've got time, you've got energy, you've got nothing to lose. You can sell a service, flip products, start a YouTube channel, build a digital product. You can start small, but you can grow smart. Even if the business doesn't take off, you'll learn how to sell, market, manage cash, and adapt. And those skills will follow you for life. The upside, unlimited. The downside, minimal. If you keep costs low and if it works, you're free. And worst case scenario, you get valuable information. Number 7, invest in the right people. Your circle is either pushing you forward or pulling you back. If you hang out with 5 people who complain, spend recklessly, and never grow, you'll become the 6th. But if you hang out around builders, thinkers, action takers, you'll start thinking bigger, doing more and expecting more from yourself. So if you join a mastermind at age 20, it's very expected, very nerve-wracking, but that one group can change your life. The conversations were different. We talked ideas, deals, systems, not drama. Your network is either fertilizer or poison. Choose wisely. All right, let's wrap this up. Start with just one of these ideas. You don't need to do all 7. Just begin. Because doing nothing is the most expensive mistake you will ever make. Smash that like button, subscribe if you want real money advice that works. And remember, invest now or regret it later. It's your choice. God bless everyone.